Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see, as I told you, first we have seen all the APIs in Python, okay, which are normal APIs. So today we will see guys how we can use fast APIs and why we need to use this fast API. That also we will see guys, okay. So first we'll see what is fast API and why we need to use that for creating Python APIs. So APIs documentation, and also suppose if you type in Google like fast, okay, it is fast API. If you type, you will get guys here first link, that is fast. This is an official website guys, that is fast API dot okay, this is an official website guys, so you can visit on this. So when you will go on this, you will get some notes. So we'll see this all the documentation, okay guys. So you can see guys, fast API is a modern, fast, high performance web framework for building APIs with Python based on standard Python types and hints. So guys, if you use fast API, it is like a fast, high framework we can say guys, and this we use for designing APIs and which are Python APIs guys. And if you use this fast API now, so your API performance will be fast. If errors are there, that also it will reduce, means minimum error it will reduce guys, so it will save our time. So we use this fast API, okay. So what are the benefits or key features that we will see guys? You can see guys here, it is there. Fast means have very high performance on par with Node.js and Go. Okay, so very high performance we can say guys. Then fast to code, you can see guys, increase the speed to develop features by about 200 to 300%. See, the code also it will get speed guys. And fewer bugs. See, if you're using this fast API, there will be fewer bugs, okay. So for that also we can use, and you can see guys here it is telling reduce about 40% of humans effort, which is good, right? Then great editor support is there. Then designed to be, means easy, it is designed to be easy to use and learn. See guys, we can use easily also. And minimize the code duplication, it is short, in short and sweet we can write our APIs guys in Python, okay. And robust, get production ready code with automatic interactive documentation and standard based on the open standard for APIs, okay. So these are the key features guys. For that only we need to use this fast API, okay. So this is the thing. So this was the short and sweet introduction guys about fast API, okay. And now we will see what it needs for fast API. For example, if you are doing any API, um, for example, if you are doing any Python API by using fast API, then what is needed for that? What is the installation and how it will work? That we will see now. Okay, so see guys, for our fast API, we need two frameworks, which are, first one is Starlet and Pedantic. Okay, so if you go here in Starlet and Pedantic, so we'll see what is there in Starlet. So you can see guys, Starlet is a lightweight framework, asynchronous framework guys. This is asynchronous servers framework toolkit, which is ideal for building asynchronous web service in Python. Asynchronous means what guys? It is fast, okay. So the API creation and the working of API, it will become fast if you use this Starlet, okay. And what is Pydantic? You can read guys, it is production ready and gives you the following. These are the benefits you can see guys. Okay, next we will see what is Pydantic. It's a short introduction I'm giving. You can read this all the documents, okay. So Pydantic is, you can see guys, Pydantic is the most widely used for data validation library for Python. Means what will happen guys here, when we run our Python API, it will do the automatic data validation. And if any errors are there, if any type is, for example int, string type, anything is wrong, it will give automatic validation, type in validation, okay. So for that we use guys Pydantic, okay. Okay, so the, you can read guys, there are a lot of notes are there, so you can go with that, okay. So these are the two frameworks which are needed guys for fast API. Then next we will see guys how to install this. Okay, so see guys, first for this we need pip install fast API. So just copy this, and already I have here my Visual Studio Code, and here I have written main.py. So just paste it here and install this, okay. You can do in environment mode also. I will suggest to do in environment mode, and if you don't have directly, you can install guys here from here, okay. So already I have installed this, okay. Then also I'm doing, so it is installing. Okay, this we need to install, and one more thing is we need to install, that is uvcon for asynchronous, as I told you. What Where it is, this is asynchronous server. For that case we need pip install uvcon. Okay, so this also you have to install in your code. Okay, so already I have installed, guys, that is pip install uvcon. So you can install like this here, pip install uvcon, just enter, it will get installed. Okay, so these two things are required for installation. Next we'll see, guys. Okay, this is done. Then this is our simple code, so we'll test this first code. So first I'll take this simple. Okay, I'll go here and I'll paste here. Okay, so this is a simple API, guys, where I have taken fast APIs I have imported. Then this is our instant, that is fast API, and this is our get request we can see, and this is our root, and here it is read the root, whatever the root is there, that we are reading. Okay, so this is our simple code. Next what we will do, guys, to run this there is one command, we'll see that. You can see, guys, after this there is this command, guys, that is fast api dev main.py. Whatever the file name is there, that we have to give here. See, guys, this is my file name, and this command we need to use, guys, to run our fast api. Okay, so I will enter here. You can see, guys, my code is running. You can see uvcon running on, means whatever uvcon is there, that is running on my this port. Okay, so I will copy this and I'll go here, I'll paste here. Okay, you can see, guys, we got response in JSON format. We can see here, here is also JSON format, so we got here my response in JSON format as well. You can see, guys. Okay, so this is first thing we have done successfully, that is this part, which is simple hello world. Okay, next what we will do, guys, we will use this typing import union. Okay, so I'll copy this library first. Then what I will do, guys, okay, I'll copy this. Okay, next I will paste here. Okay, so you can see, guys, I have imported this union libraries, and next this is, guys, for if you want to send any items and all for that, guys, so I'll explain that. Okay, so you can see, guys, this is my get request. Suppose if you want to add here post also, put also, delete, you can add, guys, here. Okay, so here today we are performing only get request is. Okay, so you can see, guys, here it is get, then here it is item, which is root. This is our root, guys, item, and here it will come our id. Okay, then here what we are doing, here is our function, that is read underscore item. So item id, this is a type of this id, guys, the type declaration, it is int. Okay, so this item id should be int, guys, here. Okay, and this is q, means it is a query parameter, which is, it should be, means query parameter we use, right, for that, guys. This is the type for that. Okay, then here we are returning our item id, and as well as we are returning our query parameter. Okay, so this now we will test. So I'll go here, and here only we will test, guys. So mine is items. Okay, and here I will send my one number, integer number. You can see, guys, here it is integer, right? So I'm sending here integer number, and if I enter here, you can see, guys, I got item id 4, and query parameter I have not sent anything, so I'm getting here null. Okay, if I change, you can see, I'll test once again. You can see, guys, it is changing, right? So whatever I am passing here, I'm getting that. Okay, so this is a string, integer, guys. Okay, it is integer. Suppose if I give you a string, what will happen? I will add here. You can see, guys, it is giving me automatic validation. Okay, type validation. You can see here it is telling clear message, input should be a valid integer. Why? Because we have given here item id should be integer, right? Type it integer, so it is giving automatic validation, guys. Okay, so which is very good point I can say. Okay, then next, suppose if I give again number, it will work correctly. Okay, now we will see the query parameter. So for query parameter, here it should be a number only, then here it will come question mark, then q is equal to, here we'll take one string. Okay, so you can see guys, here my i- id came and here my query parameter came. Okay, if I change also it will work. You can see guys, it is working, right? So here is guys query parameter, so this it is working. Okay, so this is the thing guys, it will work like this. So like this you can create apis in python, and if you want more documentation you can see here also, as here you will get more documentation for this. If you type this url with the docs, you will get here also guys, here also you can test your apis. Here you can just click on try it out, add here your id, add here string, and just execute. You can see guys, I got my item identify and q query parameter, right? So here also you can test guys, and if you go here now you will get more documents. So this is a query parameter, you can see guys, they are also giving item 5 q some query, so here I got some query, right? Then if you go in docs, you will get these all things guys. Okay, and if you go in redocs, you will get different documents again. You can see guys, so there are a lot guys, you just go with this document thing, you will get lot of things, and you will learn lot of things guys from here. Okay, so just visit here. So now we have seen the get apis, we will see guys post apis as well here, and with the database also we will see. So stay tuned to my channel guys, and if you have any question regarding this thing guys, please comment in comment box, and if you're liking my videos then like, share and subscribe guys, and please guys subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much guys, keep supporting guys.